In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin chat in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your most important conversations at the top of your list so they're always one click away. First, open your web browser and head to the Grok website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you land on the main dashboard. This is the home base where you'll see your workspace and recent activity. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll find your chat history. This sidebar is where Grok keeps a chronological list of your conversations. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the chat you want to keep handy. You can pick any existing conversation here. Maybe it's a project thread, a running research chat, or a brainstorming session you revisit often. Click the conversation to open it. Once the chat is open, look to the top right corner of the chat window. You should see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. This is where Grok places additional actions for your conversation. Click the three dots to open the menu. In the list of options that appears, select Pin. Depending on your interface, it may read Pin or Pin Chat, but the function is the same. As soon as you click it, Grok will mark that conversation as pinned. Now let's confirm it worked. Look back over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice the chat you just pinned now appears at the top of your list, often with a pin indicator to make it stand out. Pinned chats typically stay anchored above your regular history, so even as new conversations come in, your important thread remains easy to reach. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a second to update or lightly refresh the view. Also, keep in mind that pinning is a visual preference tied to your account, so wherever you sign in to Grok, your pinned chats should be right where you expect them. A quick tip as you use this feature: pinning is ideal for conversations you reference frequently, things like team coordination, ongoing tasks, or learning notes. It helps reduce the time you spend searching and keeps your focus on what matters most. That's all there is to it. Open Grok, pick the conversation you want, use the three-dot menu in the top right, and click Pin. Check your sidebar and you're set. Thanks for watching and